Okay, so this is the problem I'm trying to figure out. This is my 1.6 liter Toyota 1991. That is my brand new distributor. The distributor timing marks are set at 10 degrees, and that is verified with a timing light. When the engine is cold, and this means minus 15 Celsius, it won't start. It'll crank just fine, but it won't start. I know I've got spark, I know I've got fuel. That's where the fuel filter is back there. It just won't catch, so it has to be a timing issue. I know the timing is dead on, so over here I find this. And it tells me that if I short out pole number 1 and pole number 2, that this bumps to 10 degrees again. When I do it on here, the vehicle starts immediately. Then, when I pull the wire off, it's just a jumper wire I put on there from pin 1 to pin 2. When I pull that wire off, it won't start again. What's going on?